Hello. You want to know how to make money without YouTube with AdSense? Does that even make sense? How's that possible? Right? Like how? 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 I'm going to tell you how. I'm going to explain to you right now how you can do it. So, basically, as you all know, you probably saw an ad when you came on my video right now. And you're like, okay, that's the only way you can make money with AdSense because it's the only thing applied. Well, if you haven't noticed already, across the internet is what I'm trying to get to. Across the whole entire internet, there is another form of making money from AdSense, and it is having a website. So if we go over here, you can see that this is a website and it's called the Health Line. How weird is that, right? But over here, we see that this is an ad from Google. Okay, ad choices here. Okay, now if we say, so it's ads by Google, we're going to say, stop seeing this ad. I already bought this. Perfect. And so, I mean, this is another form of how you can make money. I'm going to dive in here about how you can make money with AdSense without YouTube. Okay, so I know it sounds insane, but a lot of these examples I'm going to show you here are making upwards of probably over $10,000 every single month. And I'm going to show you how. So this is called SimilarWeb. It's my Chrome extension here. And SimilarWeb will tell you how much visitors a website gets per month. So if you're getting 235 million views per month, literally on this website, and it's got ads all over the place, you get paid per impression. Okay. And also, combined with click, but you're selling attention. Okay. And so you're selling the ability for people to run ads on your blog, okay, or website. And as you can see, there is a ton of placements on this website with Google AdSense. Okay. So if you don't want to do the YouTube route and you want to do the blog route, this is another way to monetize. You can make a lot of money. Okay. You just need to build it up over time, just like if you were to do YouTube. Okay. And here's an even better way you can also monetize. You can also promote affiliate marketing offers. I talk a lot about affiliate on this channel. And I am a super affiliate myself. I know I don't look like it. I mean, look at me. Please laugh at that. Please laugh at that. That was fun. Okay, so straight up, all we got to do is we got to look at another site here. So we go down here, and as you can see, I don't see any ads. And so that one is off the list. As you can see, this person's trying to build an email list. Enter your email for the 50 best exercises you can do at your apartment. Yes! Yes! And so I sign up instantly and I'm in. Okay, so basically, if we go on this article here, we should find some ads, okay? So as you can see at the top, boom, we found an ad. Now, if I click on this ad, I'm going to go to Shopify and I'm going to also bill Shopify instantly by clicking on the ad. Okay, now Shopify, please don't sue me. Please don't sue me, Shopify, because I clicked on your ad. Okay, fine, Shopify, fine, I'll buy it. I'll buy the free trial. I'll get the free trial right now. Okay, so straight up, my point is they just made money by me clicking on it. Okay, and this site is getting, drumroll please, 21 million people every single month. Now, don't you think that's a lot of people? It's not as much as the last one, but it sure is millions of people. Okay, millions of impressions for Google to display ads in front of. Super powerful. And once again, I mean, look, let's just dive in here. Look, they're ranking for all sorts of keywords. I'm positive of it. But and they also have backlinks from social, I'm sure, different social channels, and they built that over time. I mean, if you look here, this is Women's Health Mag. This is huge brand. They got Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram, YouTube, and they're all linking back to this one website. Okay, so there's links all over the place, just going like crazy. Okay, if you think about it, like it's insane. And that's the long-term approach you should go with. I'm sure they're making, AdSense money from YouTube as well, and affiliate, and their own products, and blah, 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 blah forever. Okay, and monetization goes out the window crazy when you have 21 million impressions every month. So imagine if you owned this, let's just say you do, and you promote ClickBank offers. Or let's say you advertise on this site for ClickBank offers. Either way, you're going to make money. Okay. It's just a numbers game once again, and the numbers definitely work out if you own this. But anyway, that's insane to think about. Okay, if you promoted the health offers on ClickBank on here. It's insane to think about, right? Okay, so the Clever Girl Finance here, they have zero, but you know what they're doing? They probably have ads. Nope, they don't, and that's their biggest mistake. They're not motivated, they are not monetizing, and they aren't going in for the long term. Actually, it looks like they're doing affiliate marketing because that's a review. Um, Anywho, so that's just another example of what you can do. And here's the other thing, like, you need your website to look like a website. You need to have a nav, so you click the nav and you have a ton of topics you cover. Okay, like all over the place. You cover a ton of topics so you can bring as much traffic as you can to your site and have people going all over the place on your website, clicking the ads, or at least getting impressions of the ads so you can make your AdSense money without YouTube. Now, I don't know why you wouldn't want to do YouTube. I'm just going to assume you have a reason. That's why you're watching this. And straight up. So right here, we're going to say extremely likely. That's important when you go to Forbes. And anywho, so let's see if they have AdSense ads. The other thing is, like, you can sign up on these native ad platforms and you can run native ads. Okay, so if we go around here, we're going to find something. Look, I could do Control F, sponsored. Sponsor. Nope. We could do ad. Oh man, there's gonna be all sorts of options. Okay, we're gonna find it. Oh, it's right at the top. Duh, it's right at the top, right? I mean, who didn't see that, right? So let's make Forbes a little money here. We're gonna click on it. Boom. Sweet. I'm gonna buy it. I'm gonna buy it right now. Where do I buy it? No buy option. Okay, where there it is. Find partner. Connect with Kisco. Okay, sweet. Boom. And we're all set. We are all set. We're ready to dive in and give them money. Okay, dude, let's look at how much Forbes is getting. 173 million people. That's not even as much as the first one. Still is a lot. I'm not to complain for them. That's crazy. Okay, so as you can see, the volume is there and the impressions are there. And you can make a lot of money, if you choose to do this method with just doing a blog and doing AdSense. It's huge. So this one right here, modest money. This person's very modest with their money, as we can see. I mean, they're investing very simplified. They're probably an affiliate doing just a bunch of like content about whatever they're promoting. I don't know what they're promoting. I haven't looked at it. As you can see, you should always have social backlinks, by the way, linking to your back to your website. And you want to grow this over time. You need to stick with it over time. If this is what you're going to do, if this is the method you want to do, you need to straight up make content. Like I'm talking, if you do videos, but if you're going to do the website approach and articles, you need to literally do tons of keyword research for whatever niches you're in, and you need to just bust out content like crazy. If you like to write, this is perfect for you. If you want to hire someone to write, this is perfect for you. And straight up, you can make a lot of AdSense money. So let's look at some more examples here before we're done. 62,000, and it looks like they were going down for some reason. That sucks for them. But straight up, they most likely have ads here. I don't see ads. We need to go to the blog. If we want to see ads, it's usually on the blog, and if it's not there, this is a total different strategy they're doing. So let's look at articles here. You have to go into an article most of the time to actually see ads. Okay, if there are any. So there are no ads because they're only getting 60-something thousand per month. So these guys right here have ads, and they are gonna make some money, baby. I'm gonna click on this. Oh, didn't work. I clicked on it, I swear I did. Okay, you have to click the button. Oh, I know this. This is make your videos go viral. Dude, I don't need this. I actually looked into this, and you know what this is? This is they basically run ads for you. I already know how to run ads. It's a cool service. They understand how to take advantage of the knowledge of running ads, and a bunch of YouTube people don't. Okay, so if you want another way to make money, offer a service that you understand that others might, and those that might not understand it, you can offer that service to them. So once again, we got more ads, and I'm trying to explain to you that literally tons of sites are doing this. They have ads all over the place. Okay, so this one gets 212,000 per month, most of the time around 90, basically around 90,000 per month impressions, and they do have ads right here. And this is Sprizzy again. So there we go. We're going to click on an article. Dude, we're going to read this article right now. We're going to read it together. Just kidding. So that's that. That's that. If you like this video, you're probably gone by now. You're probably gone by now. You're probably gone by now. No, I'm just kidding. Straight up, check out more videos. And if you want to learn affiliate marketing or any other powerful stuff, check out links in the description. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace out.